κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
We are going back in time at the early 80s, late 70s with 125 cubics motorcycle, with 175, 185 or maximum 200 cubics motorcycle on off like this one, I mean enduro like this one, was possible for two persons to make the round of the world with two sleepy bunks here and one guitar. Of course, now this utopia is not existing anymore. Now the streets are very fast, the highways are very fast, and those cubics, 125, 200 and maybe more, are only for inside the city. So this is what is this bike made for. This is a bike that is made for a city. It's made by Sinray, it's a Chinese, and it's existing with too many brands all over the world. Here in Greece we got it with a brand of Daytona, that's a Greek label, and the model of Explorer. It's existing in 125 cubics like this one, in a 250 cubics and in 200 cubics. What about it? Let's see that we have this lovely city bike that's special for a teenager. Is tamam που λέμε και στο Ελλάδα. So, what is going on here? I have a good position of riding, everything is in a correct position, I am well protected from the windscreen, I got a good view back, I got the basic here on the clocks, RPM counter, kilometer counter and the fuel counter. I have a good protection from the weather on the street because you see the water is got this fender and we got another fender here, a mud guard that is protect me. Also, I have a place back to put my child to take it to the school or my wife. I have a good enough place here to load it with many things. I have even here a place, a USB connection for my mobile phone, just to charge it. I have electric starter and very important, kickstarter. I have a good steppers with plastic and metal from down. I have also a few steppers, a little bit small steppers for the second rider, but we are speaking for the city town. We are not going to do many kilometers with it. Georgia, please come.
Rubber.
You see our legs are very close and it's okay.
It's a little bit small.
Everything is a bit small, but it's okay. It's just a city bike. So,
Yes. If I was going to school, it would be great.
You are not going to school?
Not anymore.
Okay, okay, Georgia. First of all, I have to tell you that this bike was given to us with 0 kilometers. 0. So we have it just for a day and we cannot call that test. This is not a test. This is just a review. This is the bike, it's doing that and that. Simple things. Okay. Quality. This is made by metal. This is plastic that is not fit so good. But if you see it here, it's not a hard plastic. It's a good quality plastic. It's very funny that we have here back the disc brake and is based in a drum. The disc brake is based in a drum. Okay, what else? Another funny thing in this motorcycle is that the head of the engine, it looks like a two-stroke. And what else we got very important in this motorcycle? This engine is oil cool, not only air cool. It's got a small radiator of oil. And I love the oil cooled engines because I consider much simplest and much trustful than the water cooled engines. So I love the oil cooled engines. What else we got? We got here a fender that looks like PMV, hard one, and with some other plastics on it. The light is a typical PMV, like this. And the windscreen, let's hear the horn. Where is the horn? Not bad. And the braking, it's a simple braking. It's got no ABS. Wave style disc front, wave style disc back, and nice. Especially for a city, I consider that everything in this bike, it's lovely. Okay, everything in this bike, I said that it's lovely, but what I can do with this bike, for me for sure is not this bike. I am heavy, my wife is also huge, and is not exactly the bike that I want. But if I was a teenager, 60 kilos, 65 kilos, with a girlfriend of 55 kilos, this is ideal bike to do many things. Also, if I want to moving inside the city and I don't want a scooter, that the typical motorcycles for the city are the scooters, then this is also a nice solution. And the most important, the last years, especially here in Greece, you can ride a 125 cubic motorcycle with a diploma of the car. And this is also very important, so I can ride this bike without to have any diploma specialized for motorcycles. So it's braking acceptable, not super, it's handling okay for the category, the performance is typical for the category, dead. The engine, I like it very much that it's got the oil cooler and looks nice. Got a bit of BMW, got a bit of adventure, a bit of everything is existing in this on-off bike. So Georgia, please come. Very important, the Kickstarter. I love the bikes that they still got Kickstarter. What do you believe, Georgia?
What I believe? I believe that this is like a tall moped. I love mopeds. It's like that.
It's a moped, 125 cubics,
yes,
it's a moped.
Yes, and it's a wonderful, I think it's wonderful inside the city. It's light. I can do anything I want, but I don't have many spaces to put things all, but it's okay, because it's very good looking. And I think that I will take one of these for inside the city.
So you don't want the scooter anymore, you will take something like this for inside the city. So ladies and gentlemen.
What did I say? I said that I need more spaces for inside.
For once more, this is not a test. This is just a review. The bike is brand new, so you are not going to see any bridge to bridge. We cannot press this bike, it's with 0 kilometers. So this is me, Ioannis, and Georgia.
I am his huge wife.
For Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Georgia, I mean huge. Hollywood.
In personality.
Yes, huge. In Hollywood wife. Hollywood.
You can't save this one.
No, it's a Hollywood.
You cannot save it.
Hollywood wife, Hollywood. I feel comfortable and I will start it not with electric but with a Kickstarter, traditional. I will kick it once, no, I will kick it twice and I will feel the power of the horses. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's see what is going on and if we can change easily directions. Yes, it's nice, we can do it. The brakes that they are CBS and not ABS, Yes, it's breaking. And the power is not existing. It's 125 cubics.